So guys, we are ready to install our resin bound surface here. We have got all of our kits prepared, ready to rock and roll. A beautiful day's weather. As you can see here, all the kits are stacked out in order, ready to go, so that we know we have enough material for this project. And on to the driveway, where we are going to mark out areas of the driveway with spray paint, so we know where our material is going and how much we are using. So I'll grab the spray can and I am going to mark out here various lines. It's going to be in 2/3. I know I've measured it already. That is 1/3 and that is 1/3 of the driveway, so I know exactly how many kits I have to use for that side and how many kits I need to use for the other side. And then we have the main area to work out to the front, and we will know that we will be on with the material. So we are nearly ready to get underway with the resin. We're going to put the spray away and we are going to start mixing the resin, and we are going to show you how this resin bound driveway goes down, gets installed. As you can see, the mixer's all set up, everything's ready to go, the trails are clean, we've got the spazzle there, we've got the level there, and everything is ready for us to get this installation underway, and it's going to look absolutely phenomenal. Keep watching the video and you are going to see this process sped up to lightning pace and see how we get this resin bound surface down. So guys, the resin installation is complete, and I think you will agree, this RITE PAVE blend is absolutely phenomenal. It looks fantastic down, we've done a great job. You've seen the permeable concrete installation, you've seen the resin installation, you've seen how we do it. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, so please drop a comment, please drop a like, and please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Really helps us to improve the quality of the videos. And we are just cleaning everything up now. We're going to get everything loaded on and we are getting out of here to leave this to set. We're going to barricade everything up, and the client, as you can see, is very happy and has many years to enjoy their fantastic resin driveway. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching.